Are you wants to be a web developer or plugin developer or WordPress, any kind of development who wants to practice without domain and hosting? Yes, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to create or how to install local by WordPress. It's totally free. It's made by Flywheel and it's totally free. You can use for your development journey. If you don't want to buy domain and hosting, you can use local. Hey everyone, it's me Faisal, and today's video I'm going to dive into local setup. So this is a very important because advantage is using local. You can practice your development without domain and hosting. You don't need to use any internet. And most important thing is you already know, and everyone already know about XAMPP. XAMPP is the very previous one, and XAMPP, if you use XAMPP, so if I show you how to use XAMPP, so first of all I would like to first of all I have to download XAMPP, and then next step will be create database and also create install WP, or that means WordPress. So in this lecture, if you use local and you don't need to do anything, just download and just install WordPress, that's it. So first of all, here just download for free and choose your platform. If you are Linux, if you are Mac user, if you are Linux RPM based, I'm using Windows. That's why clicking this Windows and just set your name, and I just set all this name, and this is, you just select this other the independent and freelance consent, and this is your email is what you just set your email. That's all about my email. It's all a previous temporary mail. Actually, I didn't use temporary mail over here, so you can use your main email. Okay, just click get now and download it. It's to 625 MB. I'm just downloading, and after download I will come back. Welcome back. Now this is our local file. So in the if you don't find local this website, you just search on Google. I forget the part that is, you just search local download and click enter, and you will get a link. All right, so you don't need to do any hassle about it. So you just click download, and if you have already download, I just go to my folder, and if I just click local, this exe file. Previous I have already installed this local. That time was this one 400 MB. Right now it is 640 MB. All right, this is the setup process. So how you can set up your how to set up local machine on your local server. Just click this only for user. All user, you can anyone who will all user, just select this one, just click next, and it's permission allowed to your CMD. You just click the permission and click this, just click install and also click install. It's a very simple process. When we was a child, and while that time we have installed any software, we just learn, just click next. That's why here also the same thing stuff, that is, if you have to install local server or local machine, the process is the same. Okay, so you just wait a few seconds. All right, it's already done. Just click finish. It's a very handy rather than XAMPP. Okay, so here are some my previous work. Actually, when you install all those when you install local, you don't really see anything over here actually. Okay, so you just see just fresh local site. Here will be blank site. So how we can create your WordPress? That's simple. Just click plus icon, and here I will later I will tell you what is the blueprint and what is the create a new site. So you just select the create new site and click continue. To set your name, what's the WordPress website name will be, and that will be our admin, that will be our W3 army, anything or whatever you want. And if you click extra advanced option, you will see your what will be your site name. So local is just is dot local. This is the dot local. That means, just imagine if you buy domain and hosting, that time what you do, you just set your name.com. Okay, so here if you are using free hosting or something, that's why local is the server. So if you're using a local server, that's why local will attach on your site prefix, actually domain, this is actually your domain name, and this will be your extension. Okay, local is the actual extension. Okay, and it is the path actually. Path, that means which path, which folder will actually which folder will install this local. This is the path. I don't want to change anything. Just click advanced option. I will just want to show you, tell you everything, every process, every steps. Okay, so this is the preferred, and this is the custom. Custom and preferred, you just select preferred. If you would like to custom, that means PHP server. Sometime you need to update, you need backend to PHP server, and that time you can select your previous PHP server if you need for work. Okay, right now I don't need to use web server. I will use NGINX. This is a very faster web server, and this is Apache. If you would like to use, just click, first of all you have to download Apache, then click and use it. And I will definitely I will recommend NGINX. Okay, and database, and I have already told you that is, if you use XAMPP, you have to create a database. Right now it's already set up a database. Here already installed MySQL database, also MariaDB. So MariaDB is the biggest database in the world. MySQL is also part of this MariaDB. Okay, so here you have all the stuff of custom. So either select preferred, you already set up everything, that is PHP set already set up 8.1.23, and web server NGINX, and MySQL database is a 8.0.16. That's the all stuffs. Okay, right now set up in your WordPress site. So how to say, you just set your username and password. Keep note this username and password. I will set up your admin and admin. And when this the good practice will be, here you have to use your unique username, and this password will be very harder, because future if you install WordPress to your live site, that time you couldn't use this kind of easy stuff, easy ideal password. But it will be actually, it's very important, because you just a hacker cannot hack your website actually. If you click this option, I would like to multiple site, I don't want to use, I just use advanced. I just leave it this one. Okay, this is an email. This email actually created from this website. Okay, just click add site. It's adding adding actually this site. Previously I have already installed all those stuffs that way. Okay, it's installing your WordPress. That's very easy and very fantastic server actually. Okay, actually right now it's taking a CMD, that means your computer CMD service, that is just search CMD. They need this app service. Okay, so that's why it's taking a permission. Okay, here as you can see the full page of this W3 Army WordPress dashboard panel, and this is the your site domain name, and this is the SSL. I don't want to use an SSL actually over here. It's no need. This is a web server. You can use it NGINX and Apache, and this is a PHP server. You can decrease your PHP server. I have installed 8.1.23 because this is the latest one PHP version. And this is your database already set up, MySQL, and one-click domain. You don't need to go over here, and you just always keep it turned off, because it's if you use debug, and your site will be very actually very low rate server. Okay, you just click it turn off, and if you click this database option, this is your MySQL database. Okay, it already connected. Just click open the admin, and this is your database. Here are some database, because you have already installed the WordPress. That's why you have already set up some database. Okay, right now I don't need anything over here. I just show you. This is the database option. Okay, and this is the database all password and tool, that is your Mailhawk and Live. So if you are email marketing for testing from your WordPress, so it comes from tool. Okay, so right now you don't need to actually don't need to know about it right now, but if you are doing advanced thing, that time it's needed. Actually that time you will just find where is the database option, where is the tool option, where is the mail option. So right now I'm just telling all of thing of about local. This is actually A to Z local video. So okay, right now so I have already shown you how to install WordPress. Just if you just click this W3 Army, and if you are click this open site, it will show your WordPress. And if you would like to go WordPress dashboard, just click W3 admin. Here is the option, that is admin ID and password. I just show you admin and password. I have already set up. I have already logged in my WordPress backend, and now here you are the all dashboard of this WordPress. I don't want to actually each and every option definition, but if you wanna see about what is the post media page, I will make a video. But if you are already shown my YouTube video, I have already made a video about each of topic. Okay, so you can see that video. All right, so here you are the local. So here I have already skipped the part, that is if I click another time, that is if I add local create, here is the blueprint. So blueprint, that means if I wants to duplicate this WordPress, we can do it. Right button of this click, and right button of the actually this administrator or file or the site, you just clone the site, okay, and save as a blueprint. So if I select as save as a blueprint, just click save as a blueprint, and here will be a name, and just click blueprint. It will saving as a blueprint. Here it will be showing you the option. It's compressing the file. All the file will be compressing. Blueprint are ready. All right. So now if I go to another time, close the file, and if I go to another time local site, if I click this one, create a blueprint, and click continue, it will show this the blueprint. So if I use this one, this one and click continue, new site will be clone of this W3 Army site. Okay, so sometimes it's needed and sometimes if you don't need, but you can learn about this blueprint. What is blueprint? Okay, right now I'm going to jump this folder option. So sometimes if needed theme development or plugin development work, how you can find this W3 Army website, or this is a root folder of your local files. Okay, just go to this file, or you can go to your you can jump to your option and actually go to actually local C, and it's a very complex thing. Step by step, folder to folder, it is going to jump. But if we click this go to folder site, and it will jump to that site folder. It already shown over here. I will just click cross all those stuffs, and again click go to site folder, and it already shown is over here. And this is the W3 Army root folder, and you just go to app and go to public, and here are the WordPress, full WordPress. And if you would like to if you wants to plugin development and theme development, just go to WP content. Here you are the plugin and theme. If you wanna make plugin, here you can make plugin. And if you are a theme developer, you just go to this theme, and already I'll show you here already installed 3 plugin, 3 theme, that is 2021, 22, 3. This is a default WordPress plugin. So here you are the all stuffs of W3 Army. I know this video is very long, but I just want to clarify whole thing about local. So today's video is end. So thank you very much. Just if you are new of my channel, you will subscribe and see more video. I will just show you step by step everything, and my video will be very, very informative for you. So thank you guys. So love you. Thank you so much.